Hi, today we're gonna unbox and set up this Ampligame FIFINE D6 stream controller. So it has RGB, 15 macro keys, and you can use it with OBS scenes. Compatible Windows and Mac. So let's see what's in the box. First things first, we have the guide, of course. Then we have this deck with 15 buttons in white and the cable for it. So the cable is USB Type-C to USB. So here you can see the connection and the button for the RGB. Okay, now we plug in the deck. So we plug the USB in your PC like this. And we plug in the other end, the USB Type-C, into your deck. Okay, now it's plugged in, let's look at the RGB. So, like I said before, with this button, you can change it up. I will link down below the site you need to download. You choose Windows or Mac, whichever you're using. Next, of course, if you download it, you open it, install it, and just wait till it's done. And now we can actually open it and start using it. Of course, press allow access. And now we're in the app. So, first thing first, on the right side, you can see all the possibilities. You can add it to it. Like Discord, what else we have? Streamlabs, OBS, Operation Flow, Audio Player, Toolbox, and etc. So to add anything on the deck, you just click it, left click it, and pull it on. On the bottom side, you can see pages, so you can make more pages if you want. Yes, you have 15 buttons, but you can use a button to go to the next page. So basically, you can have more. So after you see, we click on this left side on this blue thingy, Store. Here you can see Discover, Plugins, Icons, Tutorial. So tutorial will tell you how to actually add things, use things. Icons, you can have icons, and plugins is all the plugins you can use your Steam Deck for. So that's pretty much it, guys. Good luck. And I also have their microphone. I will top right, you can see the card, and you can see that video. Maybe you're interested in that. Well, hope this video helped you. Bye.